What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another TikTok purchase. We have the drone M9. Sounds like a spy type drone, and we're about to unbox it. We're about to unbox it right now on this episode of
Welcome to noprosrc.
Okay guys, welcome back. So I ordered this about, I'm gonna say 7 days ago, and it just arrived yesterday. I was scrolling through TikTok as I usually do and stumbled upon the TikTok shop that had this drone, and the price was right. I remember it was $49.99. It comes with the controller. Obviously this is going to be your cell phone, and the flight time is supposed to be pretty decent, as well as the camera. It has awareness avoidance systems, fixed height so you don't go too high, 1 key return, hitless mode, 6-axis camera, 360 flip. I gotta check that out. Let's just go ahead and unbox it and just see what's in the package. So as you can see, we have a tutorial for English as well as Chinese. It comes with this lovely carrying case. Alright, let's just start with the boring stuff. Inside the case you got some extra blades, USB charging cable, screwdriver, instructions, and this is probably like a quick guide. You do have to download an app. What we are really here to see is this $49.99 drone from TikTok. But just looking at it from a quick glance, what does it remind you of? DJI? Yeah. Alright, so let's take out the controller. I think some knobs go here. They should. I think that's what that was in the package. So we have up, down, left, right. Maneuver it pretty well. It's no stiffness. Alright, so for your controller you're going to need 3 batteries. It's light to the touch. It's not, feels like it has no weight to it at all. Supposedly can fly this indoors. I'm not sure if this is the version that had the GPS on it. I don't think so. I think that was a little bit more expensive, but I just pretty much purchased this to kind of practice my flying so I can get better cinematic footage, if that makes sense. Here's the battery, and that's pretty much it. Feels to me like a toy. It's not very solid or heavy at all, which makes me wonder how it will do if it's kind of windy out. Here's the camera. Alright, so with that being said, let's get some batteries in here. Let's get this battery charged up and download the app and see what she can do. LED light, I'm assuming indicating that it's charging. Okay, so as you can see, the red LED light is out. That took, I'm going to say, probably like an hour and some change to fully charge. Now we get to place it in the drone and fire her up. Okay, we got the knobs on, and I do notice that you can push the right trigger. Push that down. Don't know what that does. The left one, nothing. Oh, so it does come with 2 batteries. It was a battery in it. Okay, so that's a good thing. But we got one all charged up and ready to go. Okay, let's see. How do we turn this guy on?
A few moments later.
Let's turn on the drone. Green light front, red light rear. We got the controller here flashing. Okay guys, so what you just saw was a demonstration of this drone. The UJV is what it's actually called. Some pros and cons. Don't fly it on a windy day because you will absolutely have no control over it. Like I said in the beginning, it's kind of light and the wind did carry it a little bit. Trying to bring it back to the left took a lot of effort. So yeah, I would not recommend flying this guy on a windy day. As far as this controller, it holds the phone if it's straight up, but if you have a heavy phone, which most people do, this will not suffice. It has no grip at the bottom here, which I don't understand why. It has a kind of a grip right there, but that's it. So your phone will slip and fall, so I really don't, unless you put something right here that'll kind of increase the space down in there and give you like some grip on your phone. Out of the box, I would not recommend putting your phone in here if you treasure or value your phone. Yeah, would not do that. I didn't have any time this time to check out the camera and see how well it would look. Didn't get any footage because I had some issues connecting it to the Wi-Fi, so that would have to be for another video, and I would have to take this in a pretty clear area where there's no obstacles to get a better flight understanding of it. But just from what you saw, you can see that when the wind blew, it was very kind of difficult to get it back to where I wanted it to be. It is stable. It does hover like it advertised. It will stay in one place if the wind isn't blowing. So yeah, with that being said, it can be a great starter drone if you're indoors and you're like in a gymnasium somewhere and you have a lot of open space. Perfect for training there. Outside, if it's zero wind, perfect for those conditions. If it's a little bit of wind and you're a noob at this, it can be challenging. So just a heads up there if you go on TikTok and purchase this UJV drone. But if I'm being honest, I still will recommend it. It's, you know, $50, a great starter drone for anybody looking to get into the RC drone hobby. I do recommend it. It's just be aware of those cons and the pros, and you know, for $50, if you crash it and break it, you know, it is what it is. You can get another one and just keep practicing and things of that nature until you get a hold of it, you know, get a hang of it. So with that being said, I'm not going to hold you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you appreciate this video, the information that was given to you, and if you like this drone, or if you don't like this drone, leave a comment below as to why or why not. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We will gladly appreciate any subscribers. Thank you in advance. We want our noprosrc family to grow. So yeah, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post or upload new videos. Alright, so with that being said, overall, I like the drone. I recommend it. Just be careful with the phone going into the transmitter there, and be careful on windy conditions when flying this guy, because she is kind of light. But otherwise, I like it. A great practice drone. Alright, so until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.